Gas tanker burst into flames on busy St. James thoroughfare, leaving the driver severely injured.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Hundreds of motorists travelling along the Rosehall main road in Montego Bay, St. James, were left stranded on Friday morning, January the 18th, after a tanker transporting liquid cooking gas developed mechanical problems and burst into flames in the vicinity of the hotel formerly known as the Whyndam Rosehall. The fire created a massive traffic pileup.
And the man still forced to go in.
Reports from the police are that about 7 a.m. the driver of the gas truck was travelling from Montego Bay towards Falmouth. On reaching a section of the Rosehall main road, the truck developed mechanical problems and caught fire. The driver managed to run from the vehicle seconds before it burst into flames. Lawmen were reportedly quick on the scene and assisted the seriously injured driver to the hospital. Several fire units from the St. James and Trelawney fire departments responded to the blaze. Upon arrival, the firemen focused on cooling down the tank which contained the cooking gas so that it did not explode. According to police report, the driver of the vehicle suffered serious injuries. The accident resulted in a section of the North Coast Highway along the Elegant Corridor being closed. Several tourists, students and resort workers could be seen walking from one point to the next as the entire roadway was impassable. Motorists heading to Montego Bay were diverted to the Saltmarsh Main Road onto Adelphi and then to West Gates. One eyewitness said that he was standing outside his workplace when the tanker pulled up and the driver alighted from the cabin while on his phone. The witness said that the truck burst into flames and the driver barely managed to run through the flames and escape.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.